Yeah, it sounds nice and peaceful, but what if audio recordings could bring migrating birds to Michigan wetlands? In a 3-year study, a PhD candidate from CMU placed speakers in a mid-Michigan game area playing bird calls in the middle of the night. Fox 17's Sam Lancer reports on what he found.
Here at Reed's Lake, shallow water and tall grass make for a suitable home for rails, a type of marsh bird. When their calls were played during the survey, the rails responded. 2 common rails. And 2 rare ones.
We know very little about them.
The birds of the ball.
So there's a lot that we need to learn in order to help make sure that they can persist.
In 2021, Dustin Brewer, at the time a PhD student at Central Michigan, surveyed migrating rail species at the Shiawassee State Game Area and National Wildlife Refuge.
To hear the crickets and just to have the feeling of solitude with the stars overhead.
In 2022, he returned with speakers set at 18 different survey sites.
We wanted to see if we could bring them to some remaining good habitat by broadcasting their calls as they were flying northward.
Rotating through the calls in 15-minute recordings. 1 minute of playback. 1 minute of silence.
It does seem like we were having an effect.
In 2023, Brewer saw the difference. During the playback here, the audio attracted nearly 1 more rail per survey site. A success.
Might wonder why rails are important. Like, people ask me that all the time.
And a potential recruitment tool to further restore a rare, biodiverse habitat in Michigan.
I think to lose them would be kind of like losing a section of some beautiful painting. Like, the painting is just not going to be as beautiful without them.
Now, the findings from this study will soon be published in a scientific journal, but just because Brewer did it doesn't mean you should. The playing of bird calls can be disorienting and dangerous for birds, so please leave it to the pros. For now in East Grand Rapids, Sam Lanstra, Fox 17 News.